Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how I clean the carburetor from the generator. As you see, it is not starting at all, so I think that the carburetor is pretty dirty. Okay, let's proceed. I will remove the back cover in order to remove all the components. You will see that it has a pretty powerful engine with Fiat components and fully automatically throttle control. You see, there's no way to increase the speed by hand. Okay. Now we'll remove the fuel line and the air filter. I will also clean the air filter, it is pretty dirty. I hope a lot that you have the patience to watch the entire video. Now it's time to remove the carburetor assembly. Finally, as you can see, the butterfly valve, it is dirty. And it is supposed to be a good quality gasoline, but I think it is not gasoline, it is caffeine. This is definitely mud. I will clean every part in nail polish remover with paintbrush. Now I will remove the plunger to clean the needle inside it. Pastrol. And here it is a bee that likes the odor that evaporates from the nail polish remover. I will also clean the outside parts of the carburetor body. Now that everything seems to be pretty clean, I will proceed with the mounting of all parts to put them back in their place. Now I will clean the air filter body because it is full of dust. Now it's time to put the carburetor and the air filter back in their place. It's time to refill the carburetor with gasoline. Now, let's check if I did a good job. Let's put the back cover in place. Thank you guys for watching my videos.